What's going on, guys? Another video today. As you know, I was waiting for the replacement struts that I ordered from BC Racing, and they were out of stock, so it took like 6 weeks for me to get them. I finally got them, so we're gonna be going over to Pars's house and putting them on today. All right. Nice. I got a new phone mount. It's pretty bouncy.
Grab the cheese out of my.
Alright, what's up, y'all? So these are the new struts that I got from BC Racing. I have all the hardware and stuff to put them in, God willing. So yeah, this is just one. This is the strut, like the actual strut. So yeah, I'll show you guys all the other pieces that we have from. So by the way, we're gonna tell you how to do struts the right way this time, God willing. All I got right now is this. So obviously I have to jack up the car. Funny enough, two of my lug nuts actually fell off, so I had to borrow some of Pars's. But yeah, so really what we're gonna do right now is just take off the wheels, and then we can get into all the nitty gritty once we get those off.
All right, so while he takes off the wheels, I'm gonna be working back here, just taking off a few clips with a flathead so we can get to the struts, and then once we're done with that, we'll check in with Joe. All right, so it took me a little longer than expected, but I got all the clips off. Now what we're gonna attempt to do to get off the old struts, because if you guys remember, that bolt was spinning. So I'm just gonna try and essentially do a surprise attack and hit it with so much force right away that it has no choice but to break. And if that doesn't work, we'll be bringing out the vice grips. So let's see how that goes. Anyways, so I'm gonna try and hit a surprise attack on this bolt. That thing is cooked. Let's see how that goes right now. Put it on and okay, it looks like it's spinning.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's spinning.
Hold on. I'm gonna hit it with so much force it has no choice but to break. Let's see if this is truly spinning. We got Shane underneath. Let me get on my thing. Are you ready? Okay. Yeah, so it's spinning.
So vice grip?
We're gonna have to use the vice grip. And honestly, these shocks are going in the trash.
Y'all think I can grab it for the first?
You might be able to grab it.
Alright, then just set up the phone.
Okay. We're just gonna set up the camera.
Alright, guys, that's the end of the video.
Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it.
We we realized that we can't put them on.
Why?
And I'll show you why. Why. So this is a lowering mount, right? That connects to this the shock. And this in the middle right here is a lock ring. So this basically locks that in place. Because if you do not have this could just, spin however much it wants. So BC, I said, can you send me everything that I need for the rear assembly? Everything, like all the washers, all the lowering mount, everything. And they forget to send me a lock ring. So we can't do it. And I waited 6 weeks for these. They even scammed my ass, actually, because they charged me $93 for shipping. And I texted them about it. I emailed them, and they're like, yeah, we actually did. We shouldn't have sent, it should have been $19 actually. So they sent me $73 back, but they try to scam my ass out of 73 bucks. And they forget to send me lock rings. I'm coming for everything. But yeah, actually we can't do this. We can't do this today. I have to wait again.
Are we even gonna upload this?
Yeah, I'm gonna upload this as a short video.
Just be like a BC Racing worst company ever !
Like your parts are good, your service is garbage.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. But yeah, so we got
LZ hyping it up. This is not what I expected.
Yeah. Hey, Adam LZ, if you feel bad for me, bro, you can send me a car or something.
The S15 you're making, you know, it's chill.
You can send me a car, or you can send me some.
The CRX.
No. You can send me,
CRX.
or just a CRX, and 4 CE28Ns, 17x9 plus 35.
Yeah.
On some Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. 245 40 17. Yeah, thanks. All right, guys. Yeah, we're gonna put everything
and
back.
the FE2 kit, you know.
So we basically just wasted I think like an hour on nothing, and I have to retorque some bolts, but it's cool. It's cool because yeah.
BC Racing is about to give him either an FL5 Type R or an FD2 conversion.
Yeah. So I'll update you guys on what ends up happening. All right. Peace.